Hello students, if you are watching this video, that means that you have 4 paragraphs written on Google Docs and you are ready to do in-text citations. Remember, this is a research paper. That means we are finding information on websites. That means that information is not ours. It was not written by us. And we can absolutely use it, but we have to give credit to those people who did the work. And so we are going to be doing what is called in-text citations. Citations is giving credit. In-text means that it is being cited within your essay. So first let's talk about where these in-text citations are going to go. They are going to go at the end of a sentence that has borrowed information. Any sentence that has borrowed information that was found on a website, you need an in-text citation. How do we do this? We do this using parentheses, and inside our parentheses, we are going to do the name of the website or organization that provided the article, comma, month and year you found the information, which will probably be February of whatever year it is. 2023 is when I'm making this video. So this is what it might look like. I said, if of all the cancer cases in the United States each year, bladder cancer makes up 5%. I did not know that. You did not know that. Mrs. Pashi found that somewhere. So I need to give credit to those people who did that research. So in parentheses, I'm doing an in-text citation. Cancer Research Institute, that's the name of the organization that found this, comma, May 2019, parenthesis, period. May 2019 is when I found that information. So in parentheses, you're doing the name of the website, comma, the month and year. A couple rules as you are doing your citations. We do not have to put citations in our introduction or conclusion. You need at least 1 citation per body paragraph. Your body paragraphs are paragraphs 2, 3, and 4. And then the citation is going to go before the closing sentence. So here is what it would look like in a paragraph. This is Mrs. Pashi's paragraph. This is her body paragraph number 1, her first subtopic. Notice how, 1, I start out with my topic sentence right there. And then I have information right here on the pickle factory. The building was built in the 1900s. I did not know that. It later became a restaurant in 1987. I did not know that either. I found that information online. Therefore, I have to give credit to that website. So right here is my in-text citation right after that borrowed information in parentheses, pickle factory website, May 2019, parenthesis, comma, or sorry, parenthesis, period. Then I found this information on the Garden Pub and Grill website. I did not know that, so I cite an in-text citation right there. Parenthesis, Garden Pub website, it's capitalized because it's a proper noun, it's the name of a website, comma, month and year you found the information, parenthesis, period. Then I am talking about the Harborview Cafe. I have that information here. I have the citation at the end. Notice how I have it before my closing sentence. Okay, this is my closing sentence. My citation is going before the closing sentence. And I have Harborview Cafe in parentheses, website, capitalized because it's a proper noun, it's a name of a website, comma, May 2019, parenthesis, period at the end. The punctuation comes at the end because the citation is part of that sentence. Now, let's say that your entire paragraph came from one source. If it came from one source, you are only putting 1 citation and it's going to be at the end right before the body paragraph. So it would be in place of that Harborview Cafe website. If all of this information came from one source, you have 1 citation and it comes at the end right before the closing sentence. All right, good luck. Happy writing.